Now, Doctor, I've been familiar with your work for a while, and it was a result of speaking with a number of patients that had just that great experiences with you. And as a result of it, I felt it really important to give other patients, especially over in Greece, where there aren't that many very good surgeons, in fact, that you were given the exposure that you deserve. And I felt it important to incorporate you not only in SPEX Hair, which is obviously my own platform where I house a number of surgeons, an educational platform, but also incorporated you in this year's 8 Gentlemen's Best Hair Transplant Surgeons in the World article. Now, the article resides there to create awareness to patients because of the millions of views that the article receives. And it's to give exposure to good surgeons, but more importantly, would you not agree? It's there, if you read the article, it's there to educate and to empower patients so that they have options available to them, so that they are in a safe environment to get informed opinions from a variety of surgeons. Relatively speaking, there are only a handful of surgeons given the number of them that are out there performing surgery. But I just wanted to address the fact that, and make patients aware that you have been incorporated in this very well-known article and that you are a big advocate of the message that resides within it, and understand that it isn't about being on a list of surgeons. It's more about making sure that patients get accurate, honest information and in turn are put in touch with surgeons that will guide them ethically and honestly. And a number of patients that have found that article have actually informed me and have publicly gone on record with shows like The Bold Truth and said that it saved their lives. But
I'm 100% agreeing with you. So independent evaluation like the one that you're doing matters because patients cannot be expected to verify everything themselves. They cannot build the skill to be able easily to see the truth between the lies. Third-party platforms like the one that you have created balance marketing and accountability, which is really important. Patients who are interested in having hair restoration surgery really need to understand that it is a lifelong decision and it should not be taken lightly.